Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cease and it's time for the first installment of Mr. Cease's Pieces. And what I'm going to do every few days is I'm going to throw out some things that we might have gone over in class, or just, some good refresher so that you guys can keep sharp while you are home. Now I know if you're like me, it's kind of a weird time and you're thinking, is this vacation or what is it? Well, I have to fight that myself. I'm not really on vacation, so I'm going to sit here and teach a little bit. Hopefully you can learn some as well, and in between TV shows maybe. But anyway, I'll talk about different subjects today. We're going to start off with math, just reducing fractions. And so what that looks like, if you have 2 as the numerator, 4 as the denominator, that's not as simplified as it can get. You can reduce that one. So you got to think what number will go into the numerator that will also go in the denominator. In that case, it's 2. How many 2's go into 2? 1. How many 2's go into 4? 2. So now 2/4 just became 1/2. What does that look like? Here's 2/4 shaded in. Here's 1/2 shaded in. Same amount, just cut differently. So then you can try some of your own fractions, like come up with some on some paper. And if I did, say, for example, 5/25, I could say what will go into both numbers. Well, in this case, 5. And they don't all reduce, but when they can, you should. So how many 5's go into 5? 1. How many 5's in 25? 5. You end up with 1/5. So practice reducing some fractions. Just kind of make up some and see if you can reduce them. If they're both even numbers, you know at least 2 can go into those. As far as assignments, in my math class, I have assigned through Clever. So if you get onto Clever and then go to Pearson EasyBridge, Unit 3, Section 5, it's a review of your 3-digit multiplication by 2-digit multiplication. So that's all set up for you and it's been delivered to you guys. So if you can get onto that, that would be great. My social studies class, if you would continue to research the person or the event that you signed up for to do informational research on, that would be great. Starting the next unit, I'm going to begin reading out of the book Out of My Mind. It's a really good, if you liked Wonder, you're really going to like this book as well. Science is a little tricky because this is a real hands-on time of the year with the stuff we're doing, like the slime we just made. So we can't do a lot of hands-on, but I'm going to find some terms and things that you guys can be practicing at home. And your exercise of the day, since you're just kind of at home, watching TV and such, is to do a 1-minute wall sit, or at least as long as your commercial is between shows. See if you can do a wall sit for how long you can do it. A minute's pretty long, so we'll see what you can do. Well, I have to go get these. Since this is Cease's Pieces, might as well have some Reese's Pieces. Hey, if you go out to the gas station, grab you some. We'll see you later.